So me and Tyler are out here at 6001 Chagrin Falls, attempting to repair this siding. Go ahead, Tyler.
Pop into this seam, release the grip, pop the corner. Oh, shit. Having a hard time getting under this guy. That damn thing. See if I can get my tool in there now. Release that. Release this. It's wanting to pop. All this.
That bent right there too.
Gonna be ginger on it. I'm just trying to get the one below it. Doesn't want to separate. I don't want to pull this whole thing off. Alright, that's enough for me to try to get this piece out. I did dent that a little bit. Getting this corner off. I need my pry again. Scratching the paint pretty good.
It's nailed on top.
It's nailed, which is going to make, you know, it's going to be the domino effect taking these all off. You know. Come on, girl. It doesn't want to come. The bottom one's coming too when I try to pull it out. See if I can do this again. Get this seam to pop. I'm denting this right here.
I see it.
And it still has a stubborn time to come out. I don't want to rip a lot of this up. I really don't think that these pieces can come out without affecting the one that they're connected to at all.
All right.
Try to piece this back together. Because as I take all these off, to fasten these back correctly as they should be to code, it's going to need nailed. And to nail it, I'm going to have to remove all these pieces, like a domino effect. And as you can see up there, those all need replaced.
But can you Oh, I guess you can't. Repairing this panel, it's gonna...
As I release these ones from...
A domino effect straight across as well.
It's coming back the wrong way. Yeah. Because taking this piece off, I'm going to replace this, replace this, replace this, replace this. I don't want to damage this person's house.
Okay.
And there's no house wrap on this at all.
Yeah, I noticed.
Which is in code. What's so wow, it's cedar.
It's cedar?
It's cedar. Let me see. I'm gonna make sure. No, that's just sheathing.
Okay.
That's sheathing. And to replace this to code, you'd need house wrap. And you need to obviously remove these all to close this gap in the corner so there's not a breach in this corner right here. So, in my opinion, this can't be repaired. The best move is to completely go with the full replacement.
Okay. Thanks, Tyler.
Thank you.